Hey, what's up, TikTok? This is Dr. Cunningham. I decided to pop up on TikTok today just to share some information regarding a recent rise of whooping cough that has occurred actually across the nation, but the numbers are definitely increasing here in California. And so I had started some research, especially now that I have time since the semester has ended. And according to some of the numbers here, in comparison to 2024, in the month of May, the numbers have doubled in the United States. We're at about 11,000 cases here in the United States in comparison to 2024. Now, the numbers are increasing to the point where it's recommended that people get the vaccination. So, asking your doctor for the whooping cough vaccination. What I will share are some of the symptoms. And some of the symptoms include, here we are. Well, if you have cold like symptoms, if you have a cough, a persistent cough where it doesn't go away, if you happen to have asthma type symptoms or allergy type symptoms, a runny nose, a stuffy nose, red or watery eyes, fever, cough, if you have any vomiting, red or blue face, extreme tiredness, high pitched whoop sound where it feels like it's tough for you to breathe. If you have skin, lip, or nails that turn blue or purple, or life threatening pauses of breathing where it feels like sleep apnea. Again, these are reasons to make sure that you go to your doctor, yeah, and make sure that you get a throat culture and to determine if you have whooping cough. And again, you are able to get a vaccination and you can speak to your doctor and you'll end up getting like a nose or a throat culture. Sometimes there is you're able to get a blood test and or a chest x-ray as well. These are particulars regarding the symptoms as well as the ways to diagnose. Now, different forms of medication, the doctors will be able to speak to medical doctors. Now, ways to manage self-care, plenty of rest is important. Also, plenty of fluids, any small meals, also clean air. What I would recommend is going on Amazon. I like Amazon, and considering purchasing an air purifier in order to make sure that you reduce or filter any dust, tobacco smoke fumes, dust mites, things like that from the air. So you are breathing in clean air and reduce any irritants in the air while you are healing and recuperating from or potentially from whooping cough and or to reduce the likelihood of catching whooping cough because it is contracted through droplets, which are similar to COVID. And to prevent the spread of whooping cough, cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue or inside of your elbow, just like during COVID. And if you want to wear a mask, you should have a lot of masks remaining from when you were wearing masks during COVID. So people continue to remain, if we want to return to the 6 feet, covering your cough, wearing a mask, washing your hands, utilizing hand sanitizer, a lot of the typicals, and also making sure that you are mindful of the vulnerable populations like children, babies, elder populations, those whom are not as mindful of what they are putting in their mouths and or whom they are around and what they're breathing in. Also, home remedies to consider. And these are particular remedies that I actually utilize myself and have been continuing to utilize since COVID, just for the sake of boosting my own immune system, are things like ginger. I literally have a ginger turmeric tea that I like to drink. It's caffeine free. I also have a lemon balm tea because lemon is great for antiviral or anti phlegm and mucus buildup, and it helps to improve breathing and eliminate the whooping sound. And also is great for vitamin C. With that said, zinc, vitamin C are great as well for antibacterial as well and antiviral. Um, Oregano, anti-inflammatory, um, and I'll also say oil of oregano is great for as well. Um, and of course, hydration. So that's the reason why I'm mentioning teas. I would also like to mention peppermint tea, turmeric tea, eucalyptus. You can include as well, which is great for this soothing the sinuses. So if you like aromatherapies, you guys, just a little drop in a diffuser will help to assist with your aromatherapies. Okay. Okay. For all of those who are people that like the natural remedies. Okay. And so there's just a few out of these particular teas as well as vitamins. And it's a great way to fight off anything within the respiratory system in order to reduce the phlegm, to help cough up the phlegm, so that you're able to maintain a clear path for breathing. Because breath is life. And we want to breathe, don't we? I know I do. I like breathing. And so, with that said, again, we want to clear and clean the air. So, filter your air with the filter system. So then, making sure that you purchase something that will clear the air or clean the air from Amazon. Okay, and then you're able to utilize teas. You're able to utilize different vitamins, and you can get vaccinated by your doctors. And again, you're able to continue to wash your hands, maintain distance, cover your coughs, and also wear your masks. And everyone, continue to be mindful of where you are and maintaining your distance and continuing to remain healthy and attaining, refining, and thriving, and be mindful of your life. Life, breath is life. And so we want to continue to live life abundantly. Okay, y'all continue to have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.